Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. SolidWorks. Explore the power of SolidWorks with our specialized training programs designed for engineers and designers. Our courses, including certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma options, provide a comprehensive learning experience. Delve into SolidWorks and master the following essential features. Master SolidWorks interface and design efficiency. Develop 3D modeling skills with sketching and constraints. Excel in assembly design and efficient management. Proficiently create 2D drawings from 3D models. Explore SolidWorks simulation for FEA and design optimization. Enroll in the SolidWorks course that aligns with your objectives and unlock the full potential of this industry-leading 3D CAD software. For additional information and course enrollment, please visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.